If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you.
Dahil kinasal pa lang kayo nitong mga nakaraan, nandito ang inyong mga ninang! Palakpakan
I
mo!
hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do.
Ayan na po mga biyaya, mga kaibigan, palakpakan na naman natin! Everybody, let's sing! Everybody, come on!
Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drank till dawn. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I try to erase just 'cause back when I'm sober I see that face and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts.
Sabay-sabay! I love you, kumare. They say you. Carla! Diyos ko, sinasamba ka na gano'n kasanto dyan. One more time with energy. Palakpakan na may sayawan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Gusto ko yung wish mo para kay Carla. Kasi palagi ka nag-wish. Anong wish mo para kay Carla?
Mas maging successful pa siya sa kanyang gustong maabot, which is yung pagiging nurse. And pangalawa, kung hindi man yun, sa pagiging content creator. Yan lang.
At sa pagiging may bahay ni Jomar. Ay, ikaw, anong wish mo kay Kuya Ram?
Yun po, palakasin lang siya parati ni God. Then, isurround siya ng mga tao, mabubuti. Yun lang po. Tsaka, magandang pangangatawan.
At kasama ka na doon. Huwag ka mag-alala yung pangangatawan. Alam niya na yan. Ka-gym lang niya kanina. Sige. Blow the candle. Ay, bunga na yung candle mo. Palakpakan! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pwede na po tayo magsiupo muna. Kumain, siyempre! Oo, napa-akbay ka rin naman. Para sa iyo to, may regalo, may pasobre for you. Jomar 23 Solid Group, happy birthday! Meron ka 10,000 pesos! Malapag naman po natin! Yehey! Grabe! Congratulations! Thank you! Kalingap Top. Oh, may pahamon. From Team C3 of Jomcar, 5,000 for you, Kalingap Rap. Sure. Thank you so much. Yeah, for the meantime po, ready na po ang dinner natin. So I think pwede na pong pumila ang everyone sa mga gusto pong magpa-picture. Kasi picture